Do you find, William, that these different tests that you've mentioned, obviously now we're, basically the calcium chloride, the RH probe test, the surface test, is there correlation between the tests?
Well, we tried that. Even on the ASTM level, we have what's called ILS studies, independent lab studies. There was a lot of effort put into that. And it definitely peer reviewed by some of the best that are out here in the industry that does testing, and very involved, not only with the testing, but also the concrete design and construction, the nature of concrete, how water moves, blah, 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 blah. There was little to almost no correlation from like the calcium chloride test to the probe test. Almost you got in the middle there somewhere and it was looking pretty good, and then it just went.
Wow.
So there is no correlation between the two.